Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tokyo Mobile Master. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Poco M6 4G, a budget-friendly smartphone that offers an impressive mix of features for its price. Launched in June 2024, this phone brings a great balance of performance, camera capabilities, and battery life, making it an appealing choice for users who want value without compromise. The Poco M6 4G features a large 6.79-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels, ensuring a sharp and vibrant viewing experience. With a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations feel fluid. The display is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, adding durability against scratches and minor impacts. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra chipset, which includes an octa-core CPU with 2x 2.0 GHz Cortex-A75 cores and 6x 1.8 GHz Cortex-A55 cores. This setup ensures smooth day-to-day performance and handles moderate gaming with ease. The ARM Mali G52 MHz 2 GPU further enhances the gaming experience, making this phone a good option for casual gamers. In terms of memory and storage, the Poco M6 4G comes in two variants, one with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, and another with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. For those who need extra space, the device supports micro SD cards of up to 1 TB, allowing users to store all their media, apps, and files without worry. The camera system is another highlight of this phone. On the back, there's a dual camera setup featuring a 108 megapixels main sensor with an f1.75 aperture, which captures detailed and high-resolution shots. The secondary 2 megapixels macro camera with an f2.4 aperture is designed for close-up photography. On the front, the Poco M6 4G has a 13 megapixel selfie camera with an f2.45 aperture, perfect for clear selfies and video calls. Battery life is another strong suit of this phone. It packs a 5030 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of use. With 33W fast charging, you won't have to wait too long to power up, making it ideal for those who are always on the go. The Poco M6 4G runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS, which is based on Android 14. This provides a smooth and user-friendly experience, packed with useful features and customization options. For security, the phone offers a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock, ensuring fast and secure access to your device. In terms of connectivity, it supports dual SIM, NFC, Wi-Fi on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, Bluetooth 5.4, and even an FM radio. The presence of a 3.5mm headphone jack is a plus for those who still prefer wired headphones. Now, let's talk about pricing. As of March 2025, the Poco M6 4G is available in Pakistan, with the 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage variant priced at approximately $130.12 and the 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage variant at around $169.99. So, should you buy the Poco M6 4G? If you're looking for a smartphone with a large display, a powerful camera, solid battery life, and smooth performance at an affordable price, this device is definitely worth considering. It's a great option for students, casual gamers, and anyone who wants a feature-packed phone without spending too much. That's all for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tokyo Mobile Master for more in-depth smartphone reviews. See you in the next one.